It said the Amazon is the lungs of the earth, breathing in carbon, breathing out oxygen. But lungs alone cannot keep a body alive. You also need a heart. The forest draws water from the great Atlantic and pumps it through roots and leaves and sends it skywards as hidden rivers of life. These rivers travel over mountains, cross the oceans, and fall as rain in distant lands. Wherever you are, you have felt rain born in a forest. So when the trees are cut, the pulse weakens. But when the forest heart beats strong, the whole world becomes more alive. Next time you feel the rain, remember, what happens here touches you. If we lose the Amazon, we lose the heart of the world. Stand with us to stop the poisoning of indigenous territories. Our lives depend on it, and so does yours. So listen to what we have always said. Protect the rainforest, and the rainforest will protect you. The Amazon, heart of the earth beating. May the heart of the world beat strong.